crowd sentiment index. It had its third longest run of all time. It was topped out until this week. Evidently, it called the market correctly. What are you seeing now?
Yeah, so what the sentiment composite is, it's 7 different sentiment indicators like put call ratios, polls of individual and institutional investors. And so it was very high. We call it the excessive optimism zone for about 20 weeks. And, the challenge for sentiment is that it can stay high for a long time. So you never really know until it starts to reverse. And that's what happened this week on the recent pullback. Actually, it signaled last week, to be technical about it. But you look at previous periods when you've been in this optimism zone for a while, it doesn't mean a major market top necessarily. What it means is, for the next couple, 3 months, gains are kind of mixed to a little bit weak. And so we just need to, maybe take a pause here while we work off some of the exuberance that had gotten to the market after what was a historic run for 5 months. A 25% gain over 5 months is practically unheard of.
Yeah, so, put that into context. I said third longest, but again, I'm not sure that told the whole story of just how strong or how crowded this market had been.
Yeah, so you look at some of the other ones, like the longest one was ended at the end of 2021 when you went into a bear market in 2022. The other one was the one that ended in early 2018. And what happened then? We had Volmageddon, if you remember that. There's inverted VIX ETFs that had gotten to overrun the VIX futures market. And when that broke, you had a 10% pullback in the market. And right now there are actually quite a few ETFs out there that do the similar things, not necessarily with VIX, but suppress volatility. And so when volatility breaks to the upside, that could be something to keep an eye on as well, for maybe a pullback to turn into something a little bit more than that, just because all the derivatives out there, when they start working against you, it can be violent.
Yeah. What's next? What are you looking for next in the market, Ed? What's the next big signal?
Yeah, so I think we really need to focus on earnings because the Fed's story has pretty much played out. If you look at what happened historically when the Fed has raised rates quickly, like the market was priced in the beginning of the year, the market has actually done poorly. When the Fed has cut rates slowly, like the market is pricing in now, the market does pretty well, but that story is already priced in. So now it's about earnings. Can companies actually produce the expectations that the market has put upon them? And it looks like early in this earnings season, they've done that. Over 83% of companies that have reported so far have beaten expectations. That's historically a pretty high number. We'll see if they can continue to do so. But it's going to be about earnings in 2024 coming through. That's going to determine just how strong this market is.
All right, there you go. Great stuff, Ed Clissold. Thank you very much.